Hi everyone. Are you planning to study abroad but not really sure as to which country, program or university to select? Opting to study abroad brings with it a lot of uncertainties and challenges. With us, you can focus on making the choice of the program and the university and leave the rest to us. For more than 40 years, IMS has acted as a mentor, motivator and guide and has helped more than 2 million aspirants to realize their dreams. We are bringing the time and tested IMS philosophy to simplify global admission processes through IMS Venturi. Currently, we offer unique features that make the process of studying abroad less stressful and hassle-free. Access to 3,000 plus courses, admission to over 1,000 universities across Canada, the USA, the UK and Australia, personal one-to-one counseling, visa consultation, interview assistance and scholarship worth $500. Our key partnerships with popular study destinations. Group of 8 university tie-ups in Australia. 300 plus university tie-ups across 35 plus states in the USA. 150 plus university and college tie-ups in Canada. Russell Group University tie-ups in the UK. By preparing students to get into the university of their dreams, IMS has built a legacy of success. With IMS Venturi, admission to your dream university will be quick and easy thanks to a hassle-free admission process. Steps in the admission process: IELTS preparation, profile assessment and university shortlisting, application documents, application submission, admit decision evaluation, interview preparation, visa and finance guidance, and pre-departure meet. We offer a broad range of value-added services to help you adjust to student life in a new country. Educational loans, accommodation, flights, and foreign exchange. With a team of experienced professionals who will mentor and support you throughout your study abroad experience. Our team consists of the consultant who helps in identifying the country, program, and the university and admit evaluation. The editor helps in preparing documents like the SOP, LOR, and the CV. Our Student Success Manager would assist you in application submission. The counselor helps you get through the university interview. And the onboarding manager provides assistance with education loan, insurance, accommodation, transferring funds, and mobile services. Our visa consultant helps in visa documents and process. So, what are you waiting for? Our experts at IMS Venturi will guide and support you at every step of your journey. To enroll now, get in touch with us at 900-499-7740 or visit www.venturi.co.in today to begin your dream journey to global education. For more updates, do share, like, and subscribe our channel.